Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to record your screen with Windows 11 Snipping Tool. So guys, if you don't want to use usual apps like OBS, which I'm using, and you want to use the native stock version of apps to record your screen by Windows, you can do that. They still have these apps, even though we have an OBS that's vastly superior to it. So if you want to start, just open up your start menu and then just type in snipping or just snip and search for this app called Snipping Tool. So guys, as you can see, it's very, very minimalistic, very simple, which I actually like. I like minimalism. And in here, guys, it's very, very simple. So how do you record your screen? So we have a first tab on the left, which is snip. It's going to be pretty much just making you a screenshot of your screen. So if I choose this, press on new, do this, and as you can see, I have a full screenshot of my system. We're not looking to do that. We're not looking to do that, guys. We want to record the screen. If you want to, press on this. And then, guys, let me actually relaunch the app. Instead of a photo, choose video. Then, if you want to record, press on new. And then you can, in here, in this window, choose what you want to record, either window or your rectangle. So rectangle is going to be pretty much an area in your system that you can record, right? For example, if you want to maintain your privacy and not record some of the sensitive information, you can choose a rectangle. Like, let me actually do that. Okay, and now you just choose which area you want to record. I will just go ahead and record like this. Okay, and then the interface will show you this kind of panel on the top, and then just press on start. Okay, now it gives you a small 3-second pause, and now my screen is being currently recorded. So everything inside the chosen area will be recorded, and then you can just press on stop. And now as you can see, this is my recording. I can just play it back. As you can see, there's my mouse. I'm not moving anything. And now my recording is done. If you want to save the recording, press on here, and then just save it to your desktop, which I just did. So as you can see, pretty simple. This is how you use the snipping tool to record the video. Enjoy, and like and subscribe as well.